컨테이너 40 컨테이너 크기 40피트.
It's 40 feet.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
40 feet, okay. They ask him how many stoves can be fitted in.
Yeah.
It depends. For example, these small ones, we can put two. So it means in one container it is 120 small stoves. But bigger stoves, it's less. It's only 60.
근데 이런 큰 거는 60개에서
I'm not sure because these deluxe stoves, it's quite high, but some of them we can maybe turn, so maybe more than 60. But classical on the pallets, it is on the pallets, it's 60 pieces approximately. Or
보통 이거 같은 경우는 60개.
but it depends because you can see this is bigger, this is smaller, so it means not 60 of those,
40개.
but approximately 60 pieces like this.
요거 같은 경우는 120개 들어가고 요거 같은 경우는 60개가 들어가는데 이것은 좀 더 들어갈 수 있대.